talk about how can you enable social graph on your Truecaller app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So that, sorry, you click here on your photo profile up here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on privacy center. Then it's going to take you to this list here. You go down, come here to social graph, click here in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here social graph enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.